Mark Lovelace, Chief Marketing Officer of Dyco Incorporated, and we're excited to share our new solar panel installation on the roof here. We have 1,406 panels, which power up to 126 homes in this area annually. And we're super excited to have partnered with MVE, the USDA REAP program, and PP&L to make this project happen. Here at Dyco, we manufacture systems for consumer products such as empty plastic bottles. This system behind us is an ice accumulation system where it will store bottles until a filler is ready, at which time it will send those bottles out to the filler. These systems require a lot of energy, and this solar panel system is going to help us test them here and help us build and manufacture all the parts and components used in them. Our laser cutter is a prime example of where we're going to use the energy that our solar panels generate. Our systems will offset the equivalent of 18,000 tons of CO2 or over 2 million gallons of gas over the course of its life. And we use this laser cutter daily to cut parts and components for our systems. Thanks for taking a brief tour around Dyco with us and learning how we're going to use the energy from the solar panel system. We're really happy to have partnered with MVE. They've been a great partner throughout this project, and if you consider a panel system, please reach out to them.